Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video came from groceries, guys. As long as you see my eyebrow is really dark here again. So I show you what we bought in the grocery, guys. It's too heavy. Just we ordered we decide to our grocery is deliver home, guys. So just home our delivery. So I show you what we need, guys. I show you what we bought in the shop. Too heavy. It's really too heavy. So I got eggs. I have 10 eggs medium here. 10 eggs medium. So eggs. Put it there. And I got the sale one broccoli instead of £1 and 79. So just 85p, 85 or just 90p now. So it's not too bad. Look, it's not too bad. It looks still fresh. You know, I have my favorite buns here. So this is my floppy. This is my floppy. My fluffy buns. So this is our favorite, me and my husband. I got my Baskets digestive, husband's favorite digestive, guys. So I'm just done eating, so I try to drink water for a while. I'm just done water, guys. I'm just done drinking water. So we have milk. We have milk, guys. This is fresh milk. And what is this? I was telling my husband. Delivery is. Oh! I got Coke. How many? 2, 4, 6, 8. So I got Coke, guys. So I want to drink this. Sometimes I bring in my work. Sometimes I will not bring. But sometimes. So I have 8 pieces Coca-Cola. I'm not drink this every day, you know. My last drink is last month, July. Today is August now. So when I go to work, guys, I bring 1 bottle. But not every day. More water I drink in the workplace, you know. There is a free food also there, but you know, I have my own food as well. Husband prepared everything before I go, so I'm just lucky that not too bad. So right, so that's the first box. That's the first baskets here. So the next one is I got my crepes. I told husband don't buy me, but he still buy it to me, you know. So I got this one too. Potato. This is for husband. What's the 3 flavor? Cheese, onion, salt and vinegar. We have lots of salt and vinegar there, but I'm not really because it's really strong. And that too is smoky bacon. So lovely. So okay. And I got bananas too. Bananas. Really, it's not too bad. It's right, but not too bad. Before is £1 and 69p, but now is 85p just a sale. Sure. So nag-sale siya, guys. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. That's nice. That's nice. That's pretty. Look, that's pretty. That's pretty. So just 85p instead of £1 and 69p, so less. We got bottle of pineapple lead. See this one. We still have in the fridge too. And we still have here. This is raspberry flavor. I don't really like to drink this. I just prepared water. And we have lots of orange here. So, husband bought some black pepper because we don't have. It's already done. And husband bought some extra tissue. So, we saved today. Deliver for our needs food. You know, because on Friday, we're not going to the grocery now. So, Friday, Saturday is my back to work. So, save from it. And then this is the heavy one. This is the heavy one, guys. 4 kilos something. This is the potatoes. This is the heavy one. That's why we say is order, deliver at home. So that's all things. That's all things we buy today. So I need to prepare this, guys. The broccoli. Not too bad. It looks fresh. No damage at all. I don't know why they sell this one. I have lots of, see this one? I have lots of apples here. I'm not eating. Oh, I'm not eating apple, guys, because I have allergy in my throat. So I have apples here. Look, I have apples here too. Apples. I'm not eating, you know. Just still have here apple. Really bad. I'm not eating well. So I have to put my cola on this one too. I don't want to eat this because it caused my throat. It's itchy here. My throat got allergies, so I avoid to eat that. You know, cause of my throat problem. So it's my cola. I put in the fridge. Guys. I don't have laundry today because it's all done from yesterday. So just a minute. Put it back here. I still have there some vegetables. So this is for candies for my work, guys. husband's food, guys. It's really warm today. It's 28 degree, 25 degrees something. Massive. So as for my husband, guys, potatoes. So okay, so it's really warm outside. So today's weather, guys, look, it's really warm. It's really warm outside. Before, guys, when I go to work, I don't have some bottle of water. So instead of this, I'll buy a new one for me. I'll buy a new one for my work, guys. So this is my new one, guys. I'll put this in the fridge, put some water, put in the fridge and bring to the work. So this is it. It's a nice, just not too bad. 2 pounds. 2 pounds just. I put some water because my workplace there is warm. So I need this. So we feed the birds, guys, because we have lots of birds. There's some molds here. So I need to feed the birds. You know, we have some leftover bread. So now, guys, there's a mold now here. So I need to feed the bird this one. So just only our vlog for today. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, guys, and to our viewers. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting always, guys. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. See you our next vlog.